Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to do a quick demonstration to show you the music feature on your Garmin Forerunner 5.5 watch. It's kind of hidden on this watch. It's a little odd the way they did this. You cannot store music on this watch. The only thing this feature is going to do for you is basically let you control your cell phone music from the watch, and that's what I'm going to be showing you here. I've got my cell phone laying here because we should see my cell phone turn on whenever I use this feature. So the only way you can get to the music feature on this watch is by pressing and holding the bottom left button on the watch. You cannot adjust what that bottom left button does, so when you press and hold it, it will take you into your music option. Basically what it's going to do is it's going to mirror whatever was the last music value you had playing on your phone. It will control anything. So if you were listening to Sirius satellite radio, if you were listening to your MP3s, anything like that, that is what it's going to take you to as your last value. You'll notice these three dots on the side here basically lets you know that you've got an option for display. If I press that, it takes me into more of a equalizer or volume control setting. I can go into volume, I can press the down button, I can go to my previous track, I can hit the play button, or I can go to the next track. If you wanted to go back to that previous view, you simply press the back button, and that's going to be that view. What this view is going to do is if you've got music on your phone, you can see here, this is the track name, and that's the name of the band for that given track. If it was something like satellite radio or Spotify or something like that, it would actually show you the channel that you're listening to and then the source of that information. I can press the bottom left button and I can go to the next track. So we can see there's the next song. There's the next song. You'll also notice up here, this is not changing. If you had album artwork, it would actually show the album artwork for the given track. If you want to listen to the track, simply press play. And you can hear the music. That music that you're hearing is coming from my cell phone. It is not coming from the watch. I could pause. Again, I could go to the next track. Could hit play. And then you don't have to stay in this menu. It's kind of up to you. If you wanted to just say, oh, okay, I've got my music selected, I'm ready to go. I think that's where you press this middle button, and that's where you can kind of go through and adjust quicker this way. I mentioned volume control. I can press the top button, and I can basically do down to turn the volume down, or up to turn the volume up.
This racket takes its toll.
And again, we're going to press the back button. If I wanted to pause it, pause it. Once you're totally done, you can basically press the back button 2 times, get you back to your main watch face, and that's it. It's basically a remote control for the music that was last playing on your cell phone. That's a look at the music app on your Forerunner 5.5. I hope the video helped.